I'm Kate Lewis and I work in business owner support as a product advisor. Today I'm going to be talking about the marine mask. The marine mask provides deep cleansing and balances skin's texture with the help of natural sea minerals such as sea kelp and algae, as well as the moisturising and conditioning properties of aloe vera, honey and cucumber extract. After thoroughly cleansing your face, spread the marine mask in an upward and outward motion over the entire face, avoiding the eye area. You would then leave the marine mask to dry between 15 and 20 minutes. Once the 15 to 20 minutes is up, remove the marine mask with a warm cloth. A great tip for the marine mask is it can be applied to hands and feet as part of a manicure or a pedicure, and also to the back as a decongestion.